How to create a group in a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create a group in a Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Once you're on this section, tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now tap on the new message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on this section, select the new group at the bottom of the screen and here name a group before entering the members of the group chat. Once you have entered the group name, select the to option and then here under recent you can find your friends on a Snapchat, or you can also search the name of the user by tapping on the to icon. And then you can select the people whom you want to add on your group chat. Once you have done that, select the chat with group at the bottom of the screen. And then here you can see that now you can easily interact with these people on group chat. So that is how we can successfully create a group in Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.